Hello, fellow translators. So I just wanted to announce very quickly something new that's coming up. One of the main questions that I get on this channel, out of all the questions that I get, has to do with CAT tools. And in fact, there are many questions that have to do with CAT tools, people asking what they are, how they work, what different types they are, what the differences are between them, etc., etc., etc. And I confess it's one of the questions I feel least like answering because I'm one of the least qualified people to answer them. I feel comfortable answering almost any aspect of translation, of freelance translation, because I've been through it, and I've been through it as both a client and as an agency, and I've been through a lot of it, through all the sweat, blood, and tears and everything. But with CAT tools, unfortunately, I haven't had as much experience as many other people. And, I've used them before. I've used from WordFast to Omega T to Trados, but I really don't have as much experience as many other people. And but I still keep receiving those questions. And so what we're having now is I'm planning on having basically a series, and we're going to have Philippe. Philippe is a guy who I interviewed in the past about CAT tools, and he runs his own channel, Translation Tech Corner, where he talks about CAT tools and other things tech having to do with translation. And so he's going to be addressing any issues you might have and whatnot. So along those lines, you can leave questions in case you have questions concerning a specific CAT tool or concerning CAT tools in general or something like that, and we can see how we can get to that. And it's going to follow an interesting format. Basically, he's going to come on this channel and sort of introduce a CAT tool or an aspect very broadly, very quickly, very succinctly, so you can get a quick idea of what it's about. And then later, if you want to know more about it, more in depth, we can put a link there and a link back to his channel where he talks about these things in depth and really gets into them, into the nitty-gritty and how they work and what you can do with them. And I think this is a good method, so you can see very broadly what they're about, and then when you're interested in them, you can look into them a bit more. For now, however, I just wanted to leave you with two short videos of his. One talks about translation memory. This is something that all CAT tools have. They need it to work. And so it briefly, and it's a YouTube short. It's less than 1 minute video that Philippe made on translation memory, and another video he made on XLIF files. XLIF files are the files you are actually working on when you're working in a CAT tool. Even though the input is a Word file and the output is a Word file with hopefully the same format, what you're actually working on is an XLIF file. And that's another YouTube short. It's less than 1 minute, and he goes through what these are, translation memory and XLIF files. So I'll link to those two because I think they would be very useful. However, I just wanted to let you know this new series is coming soon, and so you can expect a video from Philippe coming up very soon where he will be talking about, I believe, WordFast will be what he will be talking about. And I'm going to say this because I'm pretty sure it's true. There's going to be a discount for WordFast if you're interested in WordFast. Philippe has access to all that, so I'll leave it up to him. But expect a video from him coming up soon. Hopefully this can help a lot of you with all your issues and questions regarding CAT tools. And that's pretty much it from now. I'll talk to you next time. Okay, thanks. Bye. Savedum.